This is the Kennedy Hill project, and it is a major one. They blasted right through this gap here. It's all one way right now. Nobody's coming towards us. I've got the camera safely mounted on the dash, and I'm able to go a bit quicker. Last time when I came here, this was all dirt and gravel. You can see what they've done. They've blasted right through this opening here. There's the boys up on the right, and certainly probably some of the girls too, because they work in this industry. And believe it or not, this was just a little dirt path when I came here in January, and semi-trucks actually come through here. You can see the undertaking. There's the lake in the background. Stunning view. Camera's mounted on the dash, so I can't really show you too much out there. And it's not just a little 100-yard section. It extends all the way down this hill. You can see the runoff coming off through the rock there. This is a rainforest, folks. It's one of the wettest parts of Canada. And here's a huge site of equipment and trucks, and it's lunchtime. Guys are having a break. Guys and gals should qualify. It's not just a male industry anymore. A lot of very capable women are machine operators and drillers and blasters. So this is all dirt. Not entirely sure why they're doing this, because you used to be able to get through here anyways. I hope it's not just a make work project, but look, at I'm down to 5K here. And scraping the bottom a little bit. Some blasters, they're rappelling down, setting the charges. So if maybe you're from the flatlands out in the good old prairies, you don't see this stuff happening. This is major road construction in the biggest way. I don't care what country you've come from. This is a very intense project. We're almost to the end of it. So that gives you an idea. If you're coming to Tofino or Ucluelet this summer, this is probably going to be ongoing till September, but keep an eye on the BC Highways website. They have highway cams for all the highways, obviously, and it'll give you updated information on the status of this roadworks. So that's it. That's part of the road trip. Next stop, the golf course.